Open 13.
13. Okay. What is the first letter?
What?
A circle with one dot.
What?
No.
Wait. How?
One dot, just one. Qaf has two dots. What's before qaf?
Wait a minute. Hold on. I know this. Second.
Your next test is dead, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, okay, Mason, what is this?
Uh,
The first letter, where's this? It has one dot.
wow.
No.
Ra.
No. One dot. Do you see it?
Kha.
The dot is under the shape.
Wait a minute. 18th number. Kha.
No, not kha. Look at the dot. Where's the dot?
In the tummy.
In the tummy.
Yeah. Sometimes. See that?
Oh.
Not tummy. Not the tummy is so how I memorize this for him. So like, you know the belly button? It's kind of
Really?
it's
You
just
describe the dot to him like the dot is in the belly button, in the tummy?
no,
Oh,
he just knows it.
you mean like this is
I didn't show it or anything. Like
this is the human and this is the belly button? You mean that? Okay,
no,
anyway.
no, it just reminds him of it. So
That's
like he's
weird.
a smart kid. What do you think? Do you think he's like a dumb kid? Like he knows what a belly button is.
He's a smart kid. Right,
Yeah.
Mason? Okay, so what is this?
This is has not kha.
Not kha. Kha, listen, let me show you what kha is. Kha has the dot on the top like this. This is kha. And this one is kha. But look, the dot is not on the top. The dot is under the shape. The dot is like here, and it's the same letter here.
This one?
This is Ishal's favorite letter.
You mean this letter?
Yeah, maybe.
He's trying it always. Like he's not saying it. Sir.
Do you remember the name?
I remember it. If it's not night time now, I know it. If it's night time, I don't know.
This letter's name is Jim. Jim.
Jim.
Yes.
I don't know. If I don't know. And if it's night time now, I don't know it. I don't know this letter.
Wait, you don't know it?
Drama. If it's night time now, I don't know it. Bruh. He has a. No, he doesn't mean that.
Okay, so this is letter. Say it again, Mason. What is this letter?
I'm trying. I don't know if it's. I don't know it if it's nighttime. If I don't know it. Listen, pay attention.
What do you mean it's not your time?
No, he doesn't like.
Okay, Mason.
He doesn't. He can't remember my sister. It's like hard.
No. Okay, focus with me. This is letter Jim. We know it already. Where's letter Jim here in these examples?
Never noticed letter Jim. If it's not.
Okay, you might not know the shape. You might not know the shape of the letter here, but this one. Okay, you know what? Let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, so where's the Jim here? A, B, C, or D?
D.
D. Good. Okay, what's next?
Open 4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open 4. How about now? Is it still Gucci?
Kind of. Cough.
Yes, cough. A, B, C, or D?
It's D.
D. There you go. Yeah, Qamar means moon. Yeah, Qamar, yeah.
Did you know Qamar for us? Qamar, I don't know what language. I think it's like Urdu. I think it was Urdu, but Qamar means like back. Open.
Means what?
14. Back. Like your back.
14? What did you say, Mason? 14. Okay, where's 14?
14. What's right there? There's a bees connect. Happy.
Okay, what is the What is this letter?
Uh,
The first one here.
Alif?
No.
Lam?
Lam, that's right, because it is connected to the next letter. Do you see?
C.
C, there you go.
I knew it. I thought it was Alif, but Alif is not here.
Yes, Alif does not connect to the next letter. Okay, let's move on.
Oh, open 8.
8, okay. Pretty easy. What is this letter?
This.
Let me draw it to you. It looks like this. It has no dots at all.
Ha.
Ah, that's right.
I do. This one is connecting this. I don't know why.
Yes, it is connected.
Like something.
Yeah. We're gonna learn this. We're gonna review these shapes today. What is this letter?
Dog.
Yes. A, B, C, or D? D.
Yeah, D.
Very good.
A or B or C.
Okay, next one.
Open 13.
What?
Open 13.
13. Okay. What is the first letter?
What?
A circle with one dot.
Dot?
No.
Wait. How?
One dot, just one. Qaf has 2 dots. What's before Qaf?
Wait a minute. Hold on. I know this. Second. What?
Yes. Great.
I knew that.
A, B, C, or D?
C.
C.
Not A, B, C.
Okay. Next.
Only C. 9.
9.
Yeah. And I feel. Wait.
What is this letter?
Okay. Yeah.
Right. That's great. A, B, C, or D?
B.
There you go.
Right? It looks like this. Every dot in the end is damning the side.
Yeah, it looks like Zay, but Zay has 1 dot. Remember?
Yes. Yeah. If one dot, it don't have a dot, then it's wrong.
Yes. Okay, so let's open the next number.
Open 15.
15. Let's
that for 14.
Okay. What is this letter?
Huh?
Yes.
Wait, this is her. Sometimes this is her baby and this is his mother.
Baby and the mother?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Okay.
If this one B and if it's D, like if it's baby and connect together, that means if her and the next one is this and this, that means it's this. That one. Because that way we have 2 halves.
Okay.
This that way we have 2 halves.
2 half. Okay.
Open 16.
16.
16 has a 1 and a 6.
Yes. 1 and a 6. Okay, let's do this.
Wait. Why is other flap top? Top? Wait a minute. Hold on. It's gonna be top.
No.
Wait, I have 2 dots in.
No, just 1 dot. Where's 2 dots? Look at this. Half a circle and a small dot here. Just 1.
Yeah. You're talking about this letter?
Yes. This letter is the same as this one.
I draw it really big and so like that.
Yes, it is. I understood it. Okay, what is the name of this?
Wait, I can move it. So laggy. Huh?
Just say the name.
I don't know.
Ghain.
Like,
Yes, Ghain.
I knew that, but I know that because I didn't learn it anymore.
Okay, we're going to talk about this shape. today.
Ghain.
Ghain has
Ghain.
one dot. Yeah, Ain doesn't have any dots.
Yeah.
And
Ain is my favorite letter. Yeah, if it's Ain
What's your
and
name,
a
of
small
course?
circle and a big circle, like Ghain. Ain.
Ghain, that's right.
And it's my favorite letter.
Because your name is Adam. It starts with Ain. Okay,
Yeah,
where's
but
Ghain here? A, B, C,
Yeah,
or D?
I love my vlog to start with my name.
A, B, C, or D?
C. No, C.
C. There you go.
Not D or C. What is it? Child's name? D. Does the child's name start with Hamza?
Yeah.
Open 17.
Okay, let's do this one. What is the first letter?
Dot. Dot.
Bod. Yes, there you go. Where's
Open
Bod?
3.
E. That was fast. Good.
Yeah, with fast or easy. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay. Next number. 18?
18.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this letter?
18.
Yes.
Dot.
No, the first time. What did you say the first time?
Dot. Dot.
No, the other one.
Swad.
No.
Swad. Swad.
Sod. Yeah, there's no dots.
Yeah, I say it like he doesn't know that.
A, B, C, or D?
C.
Okay.
No, it's A, B, C.
Salah.
Oh, Salah.
Yeah.
19.
Namaz. 19. Okay.
19. Is the gas like silent? Wait. Sorry. I love star so much.
Okay, let's do this. It has one dot on the top.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
No, just one. Where are the two dots?
2 dots?
No, it's only one dot.
There's only one dot. Yeah. It's gonna be noon.
Yes, noon.
Not one dot and a small like this. If like bar.
Okay, A, B, C, or D?
B.
Huh?
No, C, A, C, D.
21?
21. Fingers. I like stars.
What is the first letter? It's kind of hard, but focus. No, we didn't learn this one. Which is the letter that has two dots under?
Like 2 dots under. Here, let me give you an example. Okay, I'm gonna write it.
Let me draw this one in a different way. What is this letter?
This.
Doesn't even know this shape.
What?
What is this letter?
What is this letter? I don't know. But
is yeah.
Yeah.
It's the last letter.
Open B.
Okay, let's open B.
Yeah, looks similar. Why?